In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Airtable base from scratch. We're going to walk through the full setup process in a simple, practical way so you can get your new base ready and start organizing your information right away. If you're new to Airtable, don't worry. This process is very beginner friendly, and once you understand the flow, it becomes easy to repeat whenever you need a new project, tracker, or database. First, open Airtable and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in before moving forward because all of your workspaces and existing bases will be available from there. Once you're inside Airtable, take a moment to get familiar with the home screen so you can clearly see where your workspaces are located. Next, choose the workspace where you want to create something new. This is important because the workspace determines where your base will live and who may have access to it, depending on how your account is organized. If you use Airtable for different teams, clients, or projects, choosing the correct workspace at the beginning will help keep everything clean and organized. After that, click the Create option or the button that says Add a Base. This is what starts the base creation process. Airtable is designed to make this easy. So once you select that option, you'll be guided into choosing how you want to begin. Now choose the type of base you want to create. You can start with a blank base if you want full control from the ground up. You can choose a template if you want a faster setup with a pre-built structure. Or you can import data if you already have information in another file and want to bring it into Airtable. The best choice depends on how much structure you already have and how customized you want the setup to be. Once you've selected the base type, name your new Airtable base. Pick a clear, descriptive name that tells you exactly what the base is for. This will make it much easier to find later, especially if you end up creating multiple bases over time. From there, add your fields, which are the columns in your table. These should match the kind of data you plan to store. For example, think about names, dates, status labels, notes, or any other categories your workflow needs. Setting up fields carefully at the beginning will make the base much more useful. Finally, add records to start using your new Airtable setup. Records are the individual entries that fill your table with actual information. Once you begin adding them, your base becomes active and functional, and you can continue building from there with confidence.